Welcome back this week with Danielle Mayoras. We're talking about the red flags of inheritances. And Danielle, go ahead, rattle them off. Usually when you hear about red flags, we're talking dating and some other nonsense. Inheritances, what do we need to look out for?
These are like red flags when you want to reach out to an attorney.
Okay.
And the first one is if there's an inheritance and there's something suspicious with a will or a trust. And by that I mean it's normal for people to change their will and trust over time with life events. But if all of a sudden someone goes from leaving everything to their 3 kids to leaving everything to 1 child or leaving everything to a home health care aide, then that might be a time when you need to reach out to that attorney.
Okay, red flag number 2.
Red flag number 2, mismanaging the money. If you are overseeing an estate and you're the executor or you're the trustee and you're not investing the money wisely, maybe there's real estate you're in charge of, you're not paying the taxes, you know, you're not you're keeping it vacant instead of selling it, that might be a time when you want to reach out to an attorney. That's a red flag.
What about times, because I've heard so many people say, I just feel very out of the loop, they're being secretive.
Yes, that's a huge red flag.
Okay, so a lack of communication.
Yes, secrecy and lack of communication is big. So in a situation like that, the trustee or executor, they need to communicate with the beneficiaries. And if they're not doing that, if beneficiaries reaching out and they're not getting responses and someone's stonewalling them, then that's a big issue as well. And in addition to that, the trustee or executor has to file accountings to kind of keep track of what's going where. If you're not getting those accountings and you're a beneficiary, reach out to the attorney.
Okay, any other red flags?
So many red flags. There's exploitation and elder abuse. So if someone's older and you feel that they're being taken advantage of because all of a sudden they're changing beneficiaries, they're leaving money to a third party that really you've never really heard of before, then that's another time you want to reach out to the attorney.
Okay, really quickly, if this is sparking in someone's mind, oh yes, I'm experiencing this, I have red flags in my situation, who should they turn to? Where can they go for more information?
The type of attorney you want to reach out to isn't necessarily an estate planning attorney, and it's not a probate attorney. It's actually a special type of attorney called a probate litigator. Dealing with will and trust contests is what they specialize in, and I'm blessed because a couple of my partners, that's what they do, and they're amazing at it. But ask questions, make sure to get to an experienced attorney because these are complicated issues.
All right, Danielle Mayoras, thank you.
Thank you, Rochelle.